Hey guys, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review lined up as we dive into the world of the latest innovation from Apple, the Apple Watch Ultra. If you're looking for a smartwatch that takes functionality and style to new heights, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into our review of the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's start by exploring the design and display of the Apple Watch Ultra. Apple has always been a pioneer in sleek and minimalist design, and the Apple Watch Ultra is no exception. With its refined aesthetics and a variety of stylish bands to choose from, the Watch Ultra is an elegant accessory that complements any outfit. The vibrant and crisp OLED display offers excellent visibility and touch responsiveness, making it a pleasure to interact with. The Apple Watch Ultra is not just a smartwatch, it's also a comprehensive health and fitness companion. With advanced health sensors and features, including ECG monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, and sleep tracking, the Watch Ultra empowers you to monitor and improve your well-being. It offers a range of workout modes, activity tracking, and personalized coaching to help you achieve your fitness goals. When it comes to productivity and connectivity, the Apple Watch Ultra excels. With seamless integration with your iPhone, you can receive notifications, respond to messages, and make calls directly from your wrist. The Watch Ultra also offers a wide range of apps and services, allowing you to manage your schedule, check emails, control smart home devices, and more, all conveniently accessible from your wrist. Battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, and Apple has made significant improvements in this aspect with the Watch Ultra. With its optimized power management and efficient components, the Watch Ultra delivers extended battery life, allowing you to go through a full day or more on a single charge. The performance is also top-notch, thanks to Apple's powerful chipset and seamless integration of hardware and software. The Apple Watch Ultra seamlessly integrates into the Apple ecosystem, offering a seamless experience across your devices. With features like Apple Pay, Siri integration, and HomeKit control, the Watch Ultra enhances your daily routines and simplifies tasks. The ability to personalize watch faces, complications, and bands allows you to express your individual style and make the Watch Ultra uniquely yours. And there you have it, the Apple Watch Ultra review. With its sleek design, advanced health features, seamless connectivity, and impressive battery life, the Watch Ultra redefines the smartwatch experience. Whether you're a health-conscious individual, a tech enthusiast, or someone who appreciates style and functionality, the Apple Watch Ultra is a remarkable choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Apple Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.